Okay, guys, let us go through this video. Very important that you do so because I have watched some videos. I had a live stream, a live program that I hosted on on my platform, and some people keep on telling me about chatter A, chatter B, chatter D, chatter that. You have that chatter when PM is not coming on social media, and he was restricted from coming on social media. And then people who hated him all this while keep on bragging that he's have been arrested, he's in prison, he's cooling off in prison and all that. Finance minister and all the ministers were waiting for who? Everybody was waiting for chief of staff to come up. And she came and she said something, very, very interesting. Okay? She hosted the program where she sounded like somebody who knows what she wants and what she's doing. So I'm going to allow the program, I'm going to allow you to hear this. I know you have watched it in the past, but there's a reason why I'm bringing it, so that those of you charter defenders, without knowing that you are still in exile, that anything can change, anything can come up, security issue may change your decision and your style. It is your ability to follow suit matters, not any other thing. So COS was on this program and set the record straight, even though she have also made some comment or utterances that if you listen to that, you know that somebody is speaking. She gave everything and she was awakening the spirit of Biafra. Biafra knew that somebody is ready to go. Then after doing all those things, somebody is one corner telling you me chatter A, chatter B, chatter this, chatter that. I am not going to make the video to be too long. I will just allow her to say it so that you hear it again. Listen to this because I believe that most of you have forgotten. Listen. Let's take it back from the beginning.
And now they are saying that PM is inciting. Let them know that Biafra is a nation. Our PM is defending Biafrans by the second. Our PM has noted that the way it is done before, where we Biafrans, we just sit, we watch. And these terrorists will come and kill us, kill our mothers, rape our women, kill our children, take away our boys and girls. That is what our Prime Minister Simon Ekpa has vowed to stop. And he has vowed with his life. All of us Biafrans in the British cabinet, the Biafra Homeland, the Biafra Liberation Forces, the Biafra Army, we have vowed with our life. We are going to continue this same call, this same place that our Prime Minister Simon Ekpa has. Nobody will stop that. I want to let Biafrans know that our Prime Minister Simon Ekpa has set all the structures in place for Biafra restoration from the beginning to the end. So taking him or removing him to go and ask him questions to delay or to disrupt our Finland Convention for the next 1 or 2 weeks, it is not going to have any effect. Rather, it is going to make all Biafrans more determined in the restoration of the independent state of Biafra. We are a full-fledged country. We have met all the criteria for a full-fledged country. We conducted our referendum where over 50 million Biafrans have voted for the independent state of Biafra. We've conducted different topics, we did a Twitter poll where 98% of Biafrans want to exit Nigeria because Nigeria is a killing ground. No sensible person in the world, no sane leader, no individual that has his or her on his right will ever support the existence of a killing ground called Nigeria, where people are killed in their thousands every single day. No sane leader will support that. So anything that Nigerian government is doing, anything the local Finland authorities is doing, I want to assure them that inviting our prime minister or delaying him or making him not to be part of the Finland Convention, which he holds dear to his heart, that will not stop nothing. We are the people. The power belongs to us. The laws of self-determination allow us to rule ourselves, to determine who is going to be our leader. And the Biafrans have done that clearly over the past 2 years after they kidnapped and renditioned our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu from Kenya. He is right now in the DSS dungeon. They did that because they think that when they take our leader, Nnamdi Kanu, there will be nothing about Biafra anymore. That was their wish. That was their thoughts. And now they are partnering with the local authorities in Finland to invite our prime minister to disrupt our Finland convention. And let me ask everyone listening to me, if the rendition and of our leader Nnamdi Kanu to Nigeria, if that didn't work, what made Nigerian government think that inviting someone else by the local police in Finland will work? They know it's not going to work. It's even going to get worse. It's going to get more brutal because we are determined for Biafra restoration. Nobody can stop that. We are all aware that all the groups perpetrated by the Nigerian government to disrupt what we are doing. And I want to ask Biafrans, before I finalize my talk, let me ask you, when has self-determination, when has the right of a people to rule?
So my people, this is Chief of Staff Ngozi Arabeze. This is her speech. After listening to this, that time before the convention, how did you feel? Did you see her as one chance, like some of you are calling her today? Did you see her as a criminal, as a sabotage, as a saboteur, as a government agent? Does she sound like one? This is to tell you that those who are making all this, creating all this nonsense are those who lost their office. Those who lost their office. Whether you like it or not, that's what it is. No matter how you want to massage it, that is what it is. Last year, we have seen, the video is everywhere. We saw a video of Chief of Staff with PM taking picture together as the two leaders. She's not trying to take over from PM. PM is the one actually nominated her to assist after seeing her zeal and her readiness. And this critical time when PM was invited and was taken away from social media, the only person that summoned courage to talk was her. She did not stop anybody to come out and make a broadcast. Information Minister was busy telling us that PM was not even arrested, was not issued, that he's okay, he was on a national assignment. That is Lai Mohammed 2.0. We were insulting people, we looking down on DOS comment that they are talking out of envy, out of jealousness, without knowing truly PM has been detained by not allowing him to surface on social media like he normally do. To the extent that people who support DOS were busy challenging anybody. Tell your PM to come and post anything. Ha 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 ha. He's not in the prison. Ha ha ha. I told you people that are coming after all of you. They're picking all of you one after another. If you not go more okay, if you not go to pick their brothers and they will go to the platform to celebrate it. Why I'm pointing out all those things is because it seems like people have forgotten who they're talking about. When you talk, they say, oh, you are supporting her. Like one of them, Antingo, you're chief of staff. Not much. The people who say that Biafran government isn't that. They will be calling chief of staff of the government, you are chief of staff. Your PA, even I will read the not Sonak Barawa post where he said your PM, you not your PM said your PM. Most of them forgot what they're talking, what they're saying, simply because they lost their office. How can you manage that kind of people? How? Anyway, you have listened to her. I know you have listened to this video before. Why I'm playing it back to refresh your memory. At least after listening to her, the energy coming out from this lady when she was making this broadcast, to the extent that even the Nigerian newspaper carried that broadcast immediately, that another thunderous human being is out. So that is what you need to understand. This is not about hatred or dragging position with anybody. Anyway, my people, thank you so much for your time. I just want to refresh our memory on this. God bless you all and see you again. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Share it to many group of your choice and comment. Tell us what you think about what I have said so far and what the video is all about. Very, very important that we may hear from you. God bless you.